happy Sunday. Even though these days every day feels like a Sunday thanks to the lockdown in lieu of the coronavirus pandemic. But it is actually a great time to take care of yourself because हम generally भागने में इतना life में भागने में इतना busy हो गए हैं that we've forgotten that we really need to take care of ourselves physically as well as mentally. And I do see a lot of people around me getting bored during this quarantine slash lockdown period. But believe me, there are a lot of things that you can do. So for today's video, I thought let's do a nice Sunday skincare routine using all the things that are available in the kitchen. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to think about order kaise aayega and all that. We'll use everything that is in the kitchen, easily available there. And yeah, I think that's enough of chitter chatter. Let's begin. So Sunday skincare will include three things: a scrub, a mask, and after that we'll tone the skin down. So for a DIY scrub, we'll use three ingredients very easily available in the kitchen. The first is any instant coffee. You can use any brand irrespective. The second is granulated sugar, normal ghar ki chini, and the third is honey. Now we'll mix these ingredients together. I'm taking any bowl. This is around 1.5 teaspoon coffee. We'll put this, the same amount of sugar, granulated sugar. We'll put this, and a little amount of honey. I keep adding it up according to the consistency. I'll use half of what I've put here. I'll use a spoon and I will mix this together. So why are we using coffee as our ingredient today? Is because coffee is, even like it tastes wonderfully well, it also is very, very, very helpful to the skin. It helps in anti-aging, it helps in reducing fine lines, wrinkles, it also helps in reducing inflammations and whatnot. It's a very, very good ingredient. So hair is secured, scrub is ready. Now, you can see it. Now I'll just quickly wet my face a little. And now I will apply the scrub onto the face and I will give the entire face a good scrub, okay? And like use these two fingers to scrub your face, scrub your lips as well. Alright, so I scrubbed my face, I washed my face, and now I'm back. Skin actually truly feels so much better. It feels cleaner, it feels tighter, and it feels nice, like it feels clean. So now for the face pack, we'll use one of the most commonly used ingredient in every Indian household at least. It is the good old besan. So I'm sure everybody must have heard dadi nanis ya mothers talk ki beta besan laga lo. Besan is helpful in so many ways I can't tell. It helps in detanning, it helps in brightening up the skin, it helps in inflammation reduction, it helps in wrinkles, acne, everything it helps with. So now I'll tell you what to add according to your skin type. So for dry skin, you'll add curd. So now here I have around 2 tablespoons of besan. So for dry skin, use curd till you get a nice pasty consistency. For normal or for combination skin, use rose water. And for oily slash acne prone skin like myself, I'll be using aloe vera gel. You can use packaged aloe vera gel. You can make your own aloe vera gel at home. And if by chance you don't have any of these ingredients, just use besan and water. Make it into a nice pasty consistency and you will really, really see the difference once you've applied the face pack. So I'll quickly make the face pack and I'll be right back. Paste is ready. This is what it should look like. If you need a little more water, please do so. So now what we'll do is we'll just pat our face with a little normal water. We'll apply this and we will not let it dry completely. एकदम rock solid नहीं होने का wait करना है. थोड़ा भी little गीला it has to be so that we can scrub it off properly, right? So don't let it dry properly क्योंकि बहुत difficult हो जाता है फिर उतारने के लिए. तो I think we'll put it on for around 10 odd minutes and I will just quickly put this on, wash my face and be right back. So I washed my face. My face actually feels very clean right now. It feels soft, it feels clean and it feels very happy also. So now the next step is toning. As I said in the previous video, toning is very important because once you have done anything to your face, pores tend to open up and it's very important to close them. And after having done such a nice skincare routine, it is very good to close your pores, because otherwise open exposed pores will get more dust into it, and then the entire skincare routine goes for a 6, right? So yes, as I said, you can use gulab gel, but there is another very good homemade toner that I know of, and everyone should try it. It is the good old Baraf. Yes, it is just Baraf. I've just done nothing to it before it melts. I start applying it to my face in circular motions. There is redness which might come up, which is very, very normal, but Baraf really helps in shrinking the pores a lot. Another thing that Baraf does is it really helps in calming your skin down, because we have put up so much tension. No, scrubbing and all this will obviously aggravate the skin a little bit, but it helps in toning it down. It helps in calming it down. And it is also said that in summers, now that the summers are approaching, you should do this every day, irrespective of doing the skincare routine or not. Do this; it will actually help your skin be better. It will also save you from a lot of sunburns. And with that, we come to the end of our Sunday DIY skincare video. I hope you guys like this video. And yes, follow the icing up with the nice moisturizer. Use any moisturizer which is a little heavier, which is a little thicker than what you're using generally. Because as I said earlier, we have extracted all the oils of our skin, right? So our skin might need some hydration back. I hope you like this video, and I hope you guys try this at home. There is actually no harm in this. All are absolutely natural ingredients. There will be no chemical reaction to your skin whatsoever. But yes, I guarantee your skin will feel better after this. I'll wait for you to tell me how did your skin feel. And take care of yourself. Show your skin some love, and stay safe, stay home, and keep smiling. Until next time, bye-bye.